Hi and welcome to Presentation Project. Today we are going to see about the various tabs in PowerPoint. If you like my video, then to subscribe so you'll not get a notification of my new video. So let's start. So today we are going to cover somewhat of the File tab, Home tab, Insert, Design, Transition and Animation tab. But the rest of the tabs I will be covering in another video of mine. So starting from the Home tab, here you have a clipboard. I'm just selecting two shapes of different colors, and after that select one of them. From the Home tab, click on the Format Painter and select another one. You can see that it is in the same color. The Format Painter enables you to change the color using another one. So this is about the Format Painter. Next is the pasting it. Can paste it in form of an image or destination green, and cut images from the home also, or copy it. So this was the clipboard part. And then in the slides you have a new slide or the layout, and you can even reset your slide. It means all the work which you had done will be resetted. So let's continue. After that you can click on section, add section, or you can change the name of the section, which I'm writing first slide. Rename. And if you are using it for the first time, then you can see this message. So in the default section, you can click it like this. Open the default section. In the default section, you can see that this slide. Click on it and rename section for the second slide. So like this, you can rename slides. So these are the basic things which is actually not seen in the presentation, but it is used for the work one. If you have many slides, then you can just put it in groups like in the form of sections. After that, going to the font one, or you have just typing here something, selecting it, you can make it bold, italics, or even underline. Here it means a text shadow and underline it, or even strike through it. In this case, the way how it should be very loose or tight, and click it on toggle key, capitalize each word, uppercase, lowercase, or the way you have typed. And after that, you have this font size. You can select any font size or use this to increase or decrease it. So clear of formatting, which it means the normal text which you actually created or typed, that it will go to before that. And you can change the font style, Arial black, Arial rounded empty bold, or any other. And after that, you have a paragraph. So first of all, let's go through the bulletin point. So here I have created 4 points. You can select any one of this. You can even change the color of it or select this. You can select where to start, even its size. The next thing comes is about the positioning. This is justify. It means till the end of it. At the right hand side, this is the left hand side, and this is at the center. You can select how to put it. Just typing some words. So now I had created 2 columns, or in the one column it will be like this. The column can be used for like this also. So here you can see 1, 2 and 3 for 6 words. So these are the basic stuff. You can even select the text direction. So the drawing, I'm inserting a rectangle, and you can insert it. So for the shape one, I'm going to the format. Here you can insert the new shapes. Edit shape, you can change its shape and even edit its point. So you can select from where it should extend. It can be useful in some times. You can rotate it also sometimes. So some of the work can be done using this. Again, you can change its shape, fill. There are basically 7 fill colors which are there, and the shape fill and the line one. You can select the text fill as no fill, text effect, transform. So this is how it is. So this can be used to make icons or logos. Then you have the add text. It is the subject in detail or the one-two detail sentence regarding the shape or the image or whatever the image it is. Quickly. So now this is the alt text of it. Then here the selection pane, you can select it. For this will show all of the sections. Then you can rotate it. There are more rotation options and change its size. So after that, it is the editing. You can find some words. I had not inserted anyone in any of them, so it is showing me we couldn't find what you are looking for. You can replace. First you have to insert here and find what and replace it. So next one, which is the insert tab. Here also you have some of the basic ones which are new slide. Then you have insert tables. You can see it is a 5x3 table, 9x4 table, 10x5 table, or you can insert table or draw one or select Excel spreadsheet. It usually takes some time. Here you can insert the data you want, select its size. So this one will be, you can edit that anytime. You have all the Excel work here. The next one is pictures. In Office 2019, you have desktop device and online pictures, but in Office 365, you even have stock pictures. You can search by words. You can see the information. So now here you can see the second thing which is in the format. It is very important, which is remove background. So many of us might be facing this issue. For marked areas to keep is a solution for when you can keep its areas. So it is upon you how the image you have to make, and then you have the screenshot. You can click on screen clipping, photo albums, the shapes. You can insert any shape from here also, and then it is a very informational one. You can take this and group, ungroup. Click on yes, ungroup all. So now it is available in a different one, which is ungrouped and not union, and another one which is 3D model. You can select it from this device, which is from the 3D viewer, or you can take it from here. There are many types of ones which you can select from here. And after that you have smart art. Smart art, many of us know what is a smart art. It can be used to show a cycle or some steps. Same thing for all. So Even for the smart art, you have the sea can change its color. Here it looks. And you can insert charts. So these basic tools like smart art and charts are in most of the versions of PowerPoint. Or charts basically uses even Excel. You can edit the data later on also. Or then you can click on link, actions, and even give a comment on it. Comment can be visible for everyone who has the presentation. You can select the text box, the head and the footer. Word art you can select here. The date and time per day are all in the head and the footer one. Equation. You can select this equation or use ink equation. Here you have to type the equation. You can edit this equation over here. For now I'm deleting this. And you can record audio or a video you can insert. And currently in my screen recording, that's why it is showing this. Then in Office 2019, from the File tab, you can even access the Draw tab, which allows you to draw it from here. Next, in the Design one, you can select the themes. It already has for all of different types of slides. You can select its font or the colors. You can even customize your own color according to you. And so this is how it works. It is different for different layouts. After that, we have the tab called Transitions. Here I'm selecting a blank one and keeping it to normal again. And so for the transition, the first and the very popular one is the morph transition. This is how morph transition is work. I have made many videos relating to morph transitions. If you want to know more about morph transition, then you do subscribe the channel. There are many newer videos and even the older ones which I have made relating to morph. So now select the slide transition to morph transition. So this is how it works. You can even change the placement of it, improving it, making it a little small and different. So in here morph, it is a little different, that's why it won't work. Just make it a little small. And now it is way it should work. You can use it even for text. If you want to know more about all of it, then you have to subscribe the channel so you can check it out. Next is you can split it, or why there are many things which you can do, but the most popular one is morph. Next you have the vortex effect. You can change its effect option and even give it sound. Next you can even select one random one, so it will give different option every time you do it. And next the animations one, which mostly everyone is knowing. Then fly in random bars, there are many. Even you can click on more and face effect or any other effect of animation to check it out. You have an animation pane, the trigger on click of oval tree. So when the oval tree is clicked, that time only it will be moving. So you can even select taper or spin, color pulse, strut, close shrink. There are many effects in the animation tab also. The last tab which we are going to see is the file tab. For this we are going to see accounts. So this is where you can see your product is activated and the privacy settings. You can select a background, which is probably this one, and you can select it black or any other color. So I recommend using the normal one, which is colorful. Next thing is you have your home here, and you can select new. A PowerPoint after 2013 version has many different types of fonts which you can use, or you can open it. You can check the info of it. Or I had saved this presentation. You can even see the history of it if it is available, or save it if you want to, or for the first time you click on save as. You can select print, and you can select the copies. Oh, this is how it works. You can share or export it. And so this is the end of the video now. If you want to know more about PowerPoint in detail, then don't forget to hit the notification icon and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching this video.